The birth of every child is a blessing to mankind. Unfortunately, 40 out of every 1,000 babies born in India do not survive. Around 7 of these deaths are caused due to severe neonatal jaundice, resulting in 192,000 deaths every year. But do you know neonatal jaundice is 100% preventable? A simple phototherapy can prevent neonatal deaths and avoid lifelong disability with cerebral palsy caused due to severe hyperbilirubinemia. To prevent this infant mortality, GE Healthcare introduces Lullaby LED phototherapy system that allows you to provide phototherapy in a safe and effective manner. Its optical design maintains a uniform light distribution to the entire exposed surface area on an optimal wavelength of 458 nanometer and a tailored irradiance level suiting the patient's need. The LED lights consume 80% lesser power than conventional CFL systems, making it long-lasting and cost-effective. The lamp unit weighs 2 kg only, comes with an adjustable height up to 47 cm and can be tilted up to 90 degrees. The removable head can be fit into neonatal ICU and an incubator, ensuring that the baby is never deprived of care. The innovative design minimizes the baby's exposure to any undesired light and also reduces the spill to the outside, protecting others from unwanted exposure. The unit is designed with no fan or other mechanical moving parts, enabling the whisper quiet operation to operate at 22.4 ampere weighted decibels, which is much lower than the IEC guideline of 60 ampere weighted decibels. To prevent overheating, the system turns off automatically when the temperature exceeds 85 degrees Celsius. It is also easy for nurses to operate. While using the unit, care must be taken to monitor the temperature and prevent overheating. Make sure you use protective gear for the baby's eyes. The Lullaby LED phototherapy unit has been certified for use by IEC Class 1 TUV Rainland CB to the standards such as IEC 6060001-50, IEC 60601-1, IEC 60601-12, EMC Class A, certified under IEC EECB scheme and CISPR 11 Group 1. It delivers 28% faster total serum bilirubin breakdown than other conventional systems, matching the standards that GE sets while building on the Lullaby legacy. Its sustainability and efficacy has enabled the Lullaby LED phototherapy to be widely accepted all across the globe with more than 10,000 installations. Come partner with us and ensure no baby with hyperbilirubinemia is left untreated under your care.